Watch time is something that is very hard to get on YouTube. It's very hard to get because most people don't understand the video, and they don't understand why people continue watching videos to the end. There are many different reasons as to why someone may watch a video to the end, but you need to be able to understand just exactly why someone would want to watch your video to the end. What is it exactly about a video that makes you want to watch to the end? There are two main easy factors that I can name off the top of my head that I know are repeatable strategies that people have used for a very long time. The first strategy that people have used to get people to watch to the end is by making your videos in a list format. The reason this allows people to watch videos to the end because it actually makes people want to know what the next part of the list is. If you're talking about point number 4, and we've got 6 points to go in a 10-point list, you're going to want to know what all 10 points are. Thus meaning you're going to want to watch the video until the end. Another way that people actually get people to watch until the end is by having an actual story. Some of the most popular videos, and some of the videos on YouTube that are by the most popular YouTubers, like MrBeast, have shown us that using a story where something happens from the start to the finish is one of the best ways to ensure that people continue watching to the end. You need to make sure that you don't reveal the video's entirety at the start of the video. You want to keep dropping nuggets of information, nuggets of wisdom throughout the entire video, and keeping them a reason to stay until the very end. That way, you'll increase watch time. Now, when looking at your watch time data, you need to be able to understand that there are some videos where we are going to have a better watch time than others. And what tends to happen is that YouTube allows you to see the data. As you can see right here, we can see that there was a key moment for audience retention, and it does say continuous segment. So what I can do now is I can go into my YouTube analytics and actually analyze this data and realize what I did well in the video production. Then I can go and repeat that and hopefully get increased watch time data.